wonder if they like bananas. Wait, I've got a better idea. Perfect, nice and soft. Time to get crafting.
Right up! Fresh styles just unpacked. You won't find a better deal in the whole jungle.
The finest stitching in all the village. You won't find a better jacket anywhere. Come have a look.
Thank you for your purchase.
5, 10, 15, and 20. Oh boy, look at that! We did it! I'll take this big bunch right here. Much obliged, young man. Here you go.
Oh boy, thank you. Look what I found, guys. Fresh apples for the fastest horse and carrots for the silliest goat. Dig in. Nothing like a warm fire to end the day. Time to catch some Z's in my cozy hammock. Good night, everyone. Rise and shine. It's a brand new day. Let's get to work, everyone.
Time to build. Let's grab the wrench and get started on these blueprints. This is gonna be amazing. Another day. Another chance to protect the farm. Cow. Look at all this food.
Time to get creative. Time to get creative. Another day, another victory. Here I come, you feathered fiends.
Run away! How do you like this racket, birdies? Be gone, pests! Cow, we'll be back!
Thank you, monkey.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! You saved the day!
Time for a well-deserved rest.
This is the life! Cow! We'll get that corn eventually. Another day, another battle.
I'm sorry to say the heart rhythm is gone.
But you can save him, right? All right, let's get you checked out.
I am a bit worried about this spot on my back.
Its heart rate is stable now.
Oh, that...
Hey there, buddy. So glad to see you're feeling better now.
Oh my goodness, they're all here!